Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're playing the Temu Hat-Trick game, you know how important energy is to keep progressing. Today, I'll show you quick ways to earn energy fast without spending a cent. Let's get right into it. First, share your referral link. This is the biggest method. When friends sign up or interact through your link, you earn energy. Complete daily tasks or check-ins. Open the Temu app, browse products, or complete small missions for free energy. Participate in in-app actions, tap around the game, watch short videos, or play mini games to boost your energy. Keep an eye on bonus events or pop-ups. This often gives you surprise energy. And that's it. Use these tricks daily and you'll be collecting energy like a pro. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.